Have the band back together, the A-team. And our main goal here is to basically give this house much more curb appeal without spending a ton of money. This is the first house that my wife and I bought way back in 1999 for $172,000. We came to closing with $5,000 from my dad and a $3,000 credit card check. We had a lot of good memories in the 9 or so years we lived here. And in 2008 we moved into our new house, but continued to rent this house. Now it's time to sell it, and we should make a profit of around $500,000. But first we have to give it a bit of a makeover to make it more appealing. I told the boys I thought we could do this in about 30 days. Well, they laughed in my face because I'm generally a little overly ambitious about my projects. But I really think we have a chance, and I'd like to do it for around $20,000. The projects we have include partial bathroom remodels, landscaping, refurbishing the back deck, shoring up the front porch and modernizing it, doing some texturing and painting, cleaning up the shop and studio. And we're not going to get too wacky with things, but I do plan to include a little bit of my characteristic zaniness. So one of the biggest things is what we call the grandpa porch here. We're actually going to keep some of the wrought iron and just spray paint it. We need to level the porch, and then we're going to put a new roof on it, and we're going to do some other things to cuten it up. While Pete and I worked on the front porch, Eric and Travis went to work dismantling the back porch roof. After those projects were done, Eric and Travis used some of our extra concrete to grade the house a little better, while Pete and I supervised. That was a great first day. I can't believe how much we got done. On day 2, it was just me. I leveled the steps, and I started to prep the basement for the bathroom remodel, as well as some texturing and painting. Stay tuned as I update you on our progress. I'm telling you guys, we can do this in 30 days, right? It's kind of funny, like most bands, we have like the drummer guy that keeps being out of the picture, so we don't have Mike for this project, but we have a new drummer, which is Travis, and we got Eric back, got Pete back. It's a good group of guys, and we may have the Chris's joining us here and there as well.